Sa bayan ng Gindulman ay may pinuntahan kaming isang magandang bulubundukin at ito ay ang Stampa Cabantian Hills. Sa mga oras na ito ay hindi talaga namin alam kung saan kami dadaan. Nagtanong na nga kami at ang sabi niya ay lumagpas na nga kami. Nag-alinlangan rin kaming bumalik dahil sa pagkabasa namin sa signage ay Stampa. Ang pagkakaalam namin ay Cabantian Hills lang. Isa lang pala ang Stampa at ang Cabantian Hills.
Indulman Bay Tourist Inn. Indulman Bay mana pa? Indulman Bay mana? Cabantian Hills.
To make it sure, binalikan na lang namin at chinek namin ulit yung nakalagay. May dalawang tao rin na parang nawawala kaya sinundan na lang namin ito para apat na kaming mawawala.
Cabantian Indulman mam sir na?
Oh, masa ko ni Stampa?
Ara. Let's go. Murag bawa ni dah. Sigasa ni Losotron.
If I could do it, then work on you. Get up and make it work. Yo, if I could do it, then work on you. Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking the first. You can't tell me that I won't make it. Knew that I had the skills since birth. Grinding, came out the mud like Roddy. I had nobody, I came from dirt. Still came fuck, I put in the work. Painting a picture when I write lyrics. Don't call me a rapper, I'm really an artist. It's one by chance or luck. I took one shot and I hit my target. I'm not even yet in my prime. I'm not 100, yeah, I'm still charging. They don't wanna see me win, but I know in the end I'm winning regardless. Sleepless nights, I was up in the studio, up in the booth trying to make me a hit. Even when I was feeling low, man, I kept on going, I weren't gon' quit. I can't wait for the day that I make it. Next in line, man, I feel like a king. My time will come, I just gotta be patient. Keep on pushing and take these risks. Made racks off, putting my pain on tracks. Grinding hard, trying to see more plaques. I've been going harder than ever. I don't have time to sit and relax.
Huminto muna kami saglit dahil may nakita kaming magandang spot. Sa bababang parte pa nga kami ng bundok ay kita mo na ang kagandahan ng lugar.
Moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here.
Pagkadating namin ay nag-login muna kami. Ipinasulat nila yung pangalan tsaka address kung saan ka nakatira. Dito sila magbe-base para sa entrance. Bale 20 pesos pala ang aming entrance fee. Pero pag ikaw ay nakatira lang sa mismong lugar ay 10 piso lang ang kanilang hinihingi. Pumasok na nga kami sa pinaka-entrance ng lugar. Habang ikaw ay naglalakad, makikita mo naman sa gilid na parte ng lugar ang napakagandang view. Pag-akyat namin sa pinakatuktok na parte ng lugar ay ito ang bumungad sa amin.
Time stood still, just like a photograph. You made me feel like this will last forever. Looking in your eyes, I see my whole life. Oh, they say you know it when you know it, I don't know. Promise that you hold me close, don't let me go. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I've wasted. You were right there all along. You and I start gazing, intertwining songs. We were never strangers. You were right there all along.
Bumaba muna kami dahil may nakita kaming magandang spot para makapag-camping. Hinanda na nga namin ang mga gamit para makapag-umpisa na kami magpainit ng tubig para sa iinumin naming kape.
Naligin ko ano, mga lumot-lumot.
Ay, pre, pati rin sila.
Sa sobrang lakas nga ng hangin ay hindi kami makapagsindi. Nagdesisyon na lang kami na ilipat ito sa tabi ng bag dahil dito ay nahaharangan ang malakas na hangin.
Bags.
Guys, ba ko lang mo? Ano ba na mo? Sandwich o pansit?
Sigawan.
Ha? Bagus siga?
Busog sigaw.
Ako ano? Sura.
Palusulat sa tagamay na be. Okay.
Okay, sige, balhin na mo kay. Hangin kayo. May galing. Dito siga. Kape. Sakto unya kay nindot ni Kuan. Sunset niyo. Tarag sa ano. Nindot niya tatot.
These memories will stay with me. with me.
Guys, ulit namin guys. Okay, hapo na. Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching.